OnlyFans can be one of the most lucrative businesses in 2026. Whether you're a total beginner, you're not making the money from your content or your coaching business, or if you just want to make some money fast, this is the place to be. But this is not for everybody. If you're not ready to do this, this is not for you. If you can execute properly, you can make more money here than in any other industry. After all, OnlyFans makes more money than the NBA every single year. Take that into consideration. But there are some hidden costs that nobody really talks about once you get into this industry that I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. So let's get into it. So everybody knows the big household names in this industry. People like Sophie Rain and Lena the Plug. But these people, they didn't get to where they were without knowing the hidden costs. The main thing people think about is, what if my family sees? Or what about the hate comments? Or what are people going to think about me? That actually isn't the biggest hidden cost with this. The biggest hidden cost is feeling stranded on an island and isolated and having no support system and feeling like you have to learn all of this stuff all by yourself. My name is Luca Gray, and I'm one of the founders of Secret Management. We're one of the fastest growing OF creator firms in 2025. We've taken various creators from $0 all the way up to $20K a month in their first 30 days. Now, I can't say that this is going to be the same story for you, but I will explain how to get through the learning curve and deal with the biggest problem that people deal with before they hit it big. So let's get into it. So the first step to having success in this business is really just having the commitment to win. Most people come in here think it's going to be an easy check and they don't actually have to do anything. This business is also getting saturated just like any other business would, and most businesses on this planet aren't profitable in their first year. What you really need here is the commitment to not quit, keep your grit, keep your perseverance until you get to the other side. When everybody else has quit, you're still alive and all the fans go to your page. So the second step to having success in this industry is to be studying the market. I used to work in a door-to-door industry where it was only commission. If I went out and knocked for 12 hours a day, it didn't matter unless I made a sale. And my mentor told me something that really stuck with me before I climbed the ranks and became a regional manager and I was eventually topping out this company is you need to be reading, you need to be studying, you need to be sharpening the saw. And that's especially important in this industry where all of these strategies that people talk about, they become obsolete in 2 weeks. I have a free newsletter where I scrape the entire internet for the newest strategies that haven't been banned yet or haven't been beat to death and completely saturated. You can sign up to my newsletter for absolutely free. Go to the link in the description. Let's move on to the next one. So step number 3 to having success in this business, this one's going to turn a lot of people off, but having a team is huge. All the biggest creators in this space, they have a team. Sophie Rain, they have costume designers, they have photo people, they have videographers, scripters, they have people running the chats. They have a full team to do it. Now, I personally have been the type of person that I want to be the lone wolf. I want to do everything myself until I hate my life and I want to rip my hair out because I'm trying to do everything myself. When you have a team, A, it beats the loneliness, and B, it creates leverage so that you don't have to do all the work yourself. You have somebody to weather the hard times when things get tough, and that makes sure that you don't quit or you don't get depressed or you don't want to leave this industry, that you can make a ton of money if you stick it out. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section with the things that you guys are struggling with. My goal right now is to give so much value for free here on YouTube and really figure out the problems that are happening right now so I can give you guys exactly what you need to make the kind of money that you see other people making. So I'll see you guys in the next one.